fam, I am Amsha PM and welcome back to my channel Food Frenz, Love for Food. Today let us see the recipe of Dalgona coffee, internet viral recipe. First for that you need to take a bowl. In the bowl you add 2 tablespoons of instant coffee powder of your choice brand. I am using Brew Coffee instant coffee powder. Then you should add 2 tablespoons of sugar, then hot water 2 tablespoons. Now make sure to whisk or blend it very well into a soft, creamy and light texture. If you want, you can add little more sugar. The consistency should be the same as shown in the video. Now in a glass take 2 ice cubes, then you pour 3/4 cup of milk. On top of the milk you should add the creamy and tasty Dalgona mixture. Mix it very well. Then your tasty Dalgona coffee is ready. Thank you for watching my channel. Please like, share, subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you.